A decade in Tesco doesn't feel that long. Time flies when you're having fun, doesn't it? Defining moment in my career at HSC definitely has been my move into the core HR function. I came from a BPO background and I could never have imagined making a career in core HR function. I think Tesco has definitely helped me shape my career. My family has always backed all my decisions. If I had to go back 10 years ago, when I first called up my dad and informed him that I was joining Tesco, people didn't even know the organization then, and my dad was like, "Oh, congratulations, Tesco! Isn't this the Tata company?" But heck, whatever. End of the day, he's quite happy what I've achieved so far. My advice for those looking at making a career at Tesco, I think it's a great place where you can redefine your career. It's not always fun and games. Be ready to roll up your sleeves because there's a lot to get done. But I assure you, every morning you'll definitely have a smile on your face when you walk through those doors. My view to stay with Tesco for the last 10 years, two things really. One being work-life balance, and the second having an opportunity to try out different roles within the learning and development function. I think that just kept me going.
Anusha has been part of my team ever since I joined the organization, which is about 2.5 years back. But she became one of my direct reportees just about 4 months back. So I know her a lot in the last 4 months as compared to the earlier times, but I can surely say she is a silent performer. She is an unsung hero who has done everything behind the scenes, but has never, kind of come in the forefront and taken the credit for her, for all that she's done. Anusha is a very simple person, and the best part about her is I think she gets happy with the small things in life, and she's very committed, very dedicated, and does not come in the limelight. So that sets her apart. But at the same time, she keeps the focus, and without waiting for anyone to come and give a pat on the back, she is a self-motivated person. I think Anusha is highly, highly responsive. She does everything that's possible under the sun to make sure that she takes care of the requirements of her people as well as her customers. She has gone beyond the call of her duty so many times to ensure the customer deliverables are met irrespective of what happens in the world. One good thing about her is she is absolutely non-judgmental. She does not take instances and forms judgment about people, and that I think is a great quality any human being can have.
I've known Anusha for the last 8.5 years. She was the first person who met me when I walked into HSC. She knew I'll be joining the training team as her peer, and she became my first self-appointed buddy. She was very positive and energetic, and I think she still is. She is the person who actually introduced me to my peers and my manager. Her smile is most contagious, and everybody in induction agreed with me that day. She's positive, friendly, calm, collaborative, willing to learn, approachable, analytical, pretty, willing to go out of her way to help anybody. I've never heard her say anything bad about anybody. I feel she knows that every identity is already taken except for her own, and she carries it with pride. Ownership and pride is what she does a great job.